Ooh. Thank you, Samu, for making remix for me of my videos. You guys should all watch him. He's awesome. David, you rock my world. I'm going to do the request you guys made me want me to do a little bit later because I'm in a rush. And I'm sorry I haven't put any videos.
Love you all.
You guys rock my world, and thank you for that. And thank you for watching my videos.
Thank you.
I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Please subscribe and comment, like always. I'm making little burps. Yay. I'm too happy. Let's see if we can make a really long one. I don't know if I can. Oh, it's stuck. No, oh no, this is not gonna be good. Ugh. I gotta go, you guys, but I'll definitely make another one. This is just to tell you that I'm not dead.
I love you.
You guys rock my world. Thank you for watching. Bye.